This is exactly how most custom functions will work. But what happens if we don't try to access a public API with public data? What if we try to access data that is private or behind a store, like a Shopify store? Because Shopify is a protected database, essentially, with customer data, we need to be able to create a custom app within Shopify that is then given different permissions of the Shopify API, at which point it will then know whatever permissions that we give it. And in this example, we're doing inventory. So we can have it know all of the current inventory of any product on the Shopify store. And in this scenario, the user can ask, hey, I want to know what the current inventory is of this product. And the system will be able to return the current inventory based off of what it finds inside Shopify. And so while this is a little bit more advanced of a tutorial, it still is the same exact flow. Data comes in from the user. It then hits the API. It then returns the information. Then all of that information is summarized and sent back to the user inside a nice and clean conversation.